Good evening, everyone. So, today the topic for our ISA activity is called paws and tails. You know what these paws and tails are? It's all about different kinds of animals. And I'm sure you all love different types of animals. Lots of pet animals, farm animals, so many domestic animals. You know now what they are? Pet animals are the ones which we keep them at home. Farm animals which can live near your house, which are very useful and all that. Domestic animals which becomes our pet. And there are wild animals. But we won't talk about wild animals today. We will only talk about our domestic pet, all these kind of animals. Okay. Now let's first start with a PPT. PPT means with the pictures, we will tell you which country loves keeping what type of animals. Okay. Can we have the PPT map? And our this topic deals with 4 countries. Out of the 4 countries, obviously one is India. We have to talk about our own country. Other than that, we have taken Russia, we have taken USA, and another one is our neighboring country, and that is Bangladesh. Yes. Okay. So first we talk about pets and the farm animals. Remember in the school we had done Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. So that old MacDonald had so many animals in the farm. He also had a cow which does moo moo. He had the horses which are wee. And then he had the pigs which goes young young young. He had the pet dogs. Then he had the chicks and hens. He had ducks. He had this sheep and all that. Then these are all the farm animals. Now let's talk about the country flags. We need to recognize the flags, isn't it? Now look at here. This first one is the flag of Russia. This one is the flag of USA. And this green one with a red color circle in between, inside, this is the Bangladesh flag. And this tricolor, to all of you know, it is India's flag. Then comes the dog, the most common pet animal. I don't know how many of you have got dogs at home. Do you, anyone of you have a pet dog? Look at this doggy. It lives in the home over here, and this home is called the kennel. And what does it love to eat? Does it love to eat fish? Not much. But dog loves to eat flesh or meat. It likes all kind of dog food. And the most favorite one is dog likes to chew the bone. And what is the baby dog called? The baby dog is called a puppy. And how does the dog make the sound? Woo, woo, woo. And that is called barking. What are the type of dogs we find in India and Bangladesh? As I told you, very similar these 2 countries are. There is one place in Bangladesh called Sarail, and there is a dog over here that we can find. So depending because of the name of the place, it's called the Sarail Hound. Big dog, tall dog. And this dog is mostly used for identifying in the police department. They train these dogs. Then this one is the Labrador. We call it Lab. Very intelligent, you know. Very intelligent, and it's very famous for being a pet at home. And they're very, what do you say, very sympathetic to the person who keeps them, to the master of the family. Beagles, not very big, a little small one, but very cute dog. The boxers, though they look very frightful, they're not furious at all. They're very calm and quiet type of dog. But you have to take very good care because they've got folds over here. You have to really clean them. And this one is another very cute dog, golden retriever. very fond of all the masters. They love playing with the children. And again, if you have all these pets, you have to really take care of them, brush them, clean them, give them bath, feed them properly, and only then they can be healthy and nice. Let's. Then comes our little cat. The cat lives inside a basket. The baby cat is called kitten. And what does the cat love to eat? This is cat's favorite food, the fish. And another one, milk. The cat's favorite food is milk and the fish. And how does the cat make the sound? Meow, meow. And it's called mewing. Okay, next one. We have cats in Russia and USA. Look at this Persian cat, very furry. And when it gets angry, it becomes like puffs up like a ball. Look at this beautiful one, Russian white cat. And look at this kittens and all that, American short-haired cat. These are found in the warmer part of America where it's not that cold. So that's why the hair is very short. The fur is not so thick. And this is a Russian blue cat. They're really bluish in color. So that's why it is called the Russian blue cat. Okay. Then apart from these dogs and cats, what else do you see us keeping as pets? Very common pets are having fish. And where do we keep all this fish? If you have fish at home, we keep it in an aquarium. What else are the common animals that we can have as pets? Birds. Rabbits are another nice, cute pets. You have to have not much space, a little bit of space. You can easily keep the rabbits at home. They actually live in the burrows. Next, what do we have? Cow, the farm animal. The cows live in the cow shed. Then cow's baby is called the calf. Cow makes the sound moo. So the cow will moo. And the cow's favorite food is grass. It keeps on eating grass. We cannot really keep it in the flats and homes like that. You need a little bit of outside space to make this cow shed and all that. What else? Then the sheep, another farm animal. Here also you have to have its home, which is called a pen. A little bit of shed like this. And they also love eating all this grass. And what is the baby sheep called? It's called lamb. And how does it make the sound? And it makes a sound like that. And the sound is called bleating. The sheep bleats. Okay, next. These are all the farm animals that we can have it at home. Okay, let me see. Is there anyone who has got any animal as pet at home? Anybody has got a fish or the dog or a cat at home? Hey, Vyom has got.
Wow, Vyom, you got a fish. You got a pet fish.
Where is the fish? Oh, that's one, the golden one, huh? The goldfish. Very good.
It's a goldfish.
Lovely, lovely. Very
Beautiful.
good.